Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am going to share with you another idea for business that you can do at home. Very simple recipe, very easy to find ingredients. For this we are going to make another version of my Milo Lava Latte series. For this one it is going to be 22 ounces. In another video tutorial I showed you how to make it in 16 ounces. For the ingredients we are going to use Milo. So this is not the 3-in-1 version. And for the milk, this is easy enough. For those without refrigerator, you may use Bear Brand. Once again, this is easy to find. So these are the main ingredients. And then you can also add some flavor to your Milo Lava. For the flavors, I am going to use hazelnut, caramel, and vanilla, the ones that are most common in the market. I am using here a brand which is local, Long Beach, and I find them very good enough, not necessarily having to use those international brands. So I am also going to make this a bubble tea type of drink. So I'm going to use some tapioca pearls this time for my drinks. Let's start making our first drink, which is vanilla Milo Lava Latte. For this, because this is 22 ounces, I'm going to use a tablespoon. I will put 2.5 tablespoons, 1, 2.5 tablespoons of Milo. And I am going to use 3 tablespoons of my sweetened condensed milk. So if you don't have a shot glass, this is easy enough for you to do. So 3 tablespoons, that's 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. And then for this, again, because this is 22 ounces, I am going to put 3 pumps, or about 20 milliliters of vanilla syrup. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to make our lava. So get a spoon. If you don't have a whisk, that's easy enough. And stir until they are well combined. And you get that very thick, very rich Milo lava. And this is our vanilla Milo lava. I'm going to put this aside for now and make my second lava mix. For the second one, we are going to make hazelnut Milo Lava Latte. So for this, I'm going to use the same recipe, 2.5 tablespoons of Milo, and a half, and also 3 tablespoons of my sweetened condensed milk. If you have a shot glass, it will be easier, but if you don't have it, then use the tablespoons. That's 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, and again 3 pumps, or about 20 milliliters of your flavored syrup. If you do not have a flavored syrup, you can also use sugar syrup, plain sugar syrup. So that's our hazelnut, and stir. You will notice that I'm only using a spoon here. This is for those without a whisk, and you only need very, very simple tools to make this. So this business is easy enough. You don't need a lot of investment. It might take a little bit of time to get to that consistency and making sure that the whole lava mix is well combined. Okay, see that beautiful texture. So this is our hazelnut Milo lava. For the third one, it is going to be another delicious flavor. It's going to be caramel. For this, we are going to use the same proportion of our Milo. That is 2.5, 1, 2, and a half tablespoons of Milo, and 3 tablespoons of our sweetened condensed milk. I'm using Carnation here. You can use any brand that you have. And once again, for the flavor, I'm going to use caramel And for this, it's going to be 3 pumps or about 20 ml. So 1, 2, 3. All of them are smelling really gorgeous. They are going to be spectacular. If you are making larger batch, you can multiply the proportion so that you don't have to prepare this mix each time you have an order, especially if you have a queue outside your door. See that beautiful texture there, and we are ready. Now it's time to assemble our drinks. For our first one, our vanilla Milo lava latte, I'm going to use my sinkers here. It is purple tapioca pearls. We are going to pour our 1 can, which is 140 milliliters of Bear Brand. First drink, and now let's go to the second drink. For the second drink, it's the same. We are going to put our sinkers. You can use any sinkers of your choice, grass jelly, cognac pearls, whatever you have available. Milo Hazelnut Lava Latte. Finally, for our last flavor, which is Caramel Milo Lava Latte. For this, once again, we are going to put our sinkers, 1 scoop of our tapioca pearls, and you have 3 delicious Milo Lava Latte. Well, there you go, 3 spectacularly looking drinks that are easy enough, popular among the young and old, simple Milo Lava Latte. So for those of you who are looking for something to do at home and starting a business with very minimum investment, chocolate is the way to go. It's simpler and easier than making coffee and tea, but of course you can start here and maybe expand to something more in the future. It's about time to give this a try. They're all very different. I don't know anymore which one is vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut, but I'll give them all a try. Milo. The good thing about this is if you are using 22 ounces and 16 ounces cup, you can use 1 can of Bear Brand, so you don't have to worry about measuring it up or even having some leftover from the can. You can use the same amount of milk and only adjust your sweetened condensed milk and your flavor. And of course, the amount of Milo that you put in. And this is, not sure, I'll tell you in a bit. Caramel. Caramel Milo Lava Latte with tapioca pearl. That is delicious. And finally, this has got to be hazelnut. The taste of the hazelnut. Well, this brand can compare with Da Vinci, Monin, Tarani. This hazelnut is very, very tasty. It might be my favorite among all these three. Well, there you go. I wish you all the best. If you have any questions at all about these recipes, do let me know. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more of these video tutorials. Do stay safe. Take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.